We are a union shop. Why does that matter? So all of our guys are local union members for your sheet metal and gas pipers. What that means for you is that you have guys that went through a 5-year apprenticeship program before they were able to start working for us and become lead and journeyman HVAC installers and foremen. You will get the best of the best installers doing any of the projects when they come to your home. There's no DIY, let me learn on the job and then start learning on your house. We have the best, most professional installers that you will find out of any company out there.